Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is English Custom Woodworking. I am a woodworker, hobbyist if you will, an amateur, definitely not a professional. I do sell a few items here and there, but I don't think that deems me as a professional by any means. I've been a woodworker my entire life, off and on. Used to be a carpenter by trade for a little while. I've started whenever I was pretty young. My grandpa and dad were both woodworkers, and I've inherited a lot of their knowledge over the years and some of their equipment. I'll show you at some point with some of the different videos that I'll shoot. I love working with barn lumber. It's one of the main things that I do. I have learned a lot of tricks over the past few years and learned the hard way. Stacking, cleaning, processing, different ways of using it, gluing it, building with it, different things like that. Probably make some few videos on shop safety. This is a part-time little hobby thing that I do here with the woodworking. Full-time I am a paramedic. I've worked as a first responder in EMS fire departments for the past 15 years, so I'd like to make a few shop safety videos. I have sadly had to take care of quite a few people through the years that were not practicing good shop safety. And a few things I'd like to do also is do a few tool reviews. One of the things that I do like to watch on YouTube, I'm sure there's probably some disclaimers, but I like to watch some of these guys that help each other out, help us woodworkers each other out by reviewing tools. Helps me out a lot, know what to buy, what to look for, what to expect. I do some chainsaw milling. I might make a few videos doing that. I go out and I have recovered quite a few old barns that have come close to falling in, and try to save some of this barn lumber, barn wood that I can use or somebody can use. All in all, I'm just going to do a lot of woodworking. Hope I make a bunch of videos that people want to watch. Leave some comments down below that can help me know some material that you guys would like to view and see. Of course, as everybody else also says, please subscribe and hit the like button. I'm going to try to grow my YouTube channel hopefully over the next few years and try to be successful in it and share a lot of knowledge with you guys and help your woodworking experience, and hope you enjoy it as much as I do. And as one of an older carpenter once told me, some of my best advice ever is measure twice, cut once.